there, this is Rustic and Whit. I'm Whitney, and today I've got another fall DIY for you. I've got two today. One is this cute wreath behind me where I got everything for it from the Dollar Tree and also the Target Dollar Spot. And then also I've got some really cute little wood ornaments, so stick around. First thing I'm going to show you how to do is how I refresh this wreath behind me. I've had this burlap wreath for a long time and it was really orangey, and I wanted to update it with the new aesthetic that I'm doing this year for fall with my house. So the burlap wreath was pre-made. If you're looking for a tutorial on how to do that, I'll link that down below. Let's get started.
This project starts with an old wreath that I made, I think, in college or a little bit after. And there's nothing wrong with it. It's just a burlap wreath that I attached a lot of fall florals to, but it just wasn't working with my aesthetic. And also, we're updating our front door to be a dark stained color, so I needed to refresh this. So I grabbed 3 items from the Dollar Tree: clip-on pumpkins, clip-on leaves, and then those letters. Step 1 is to treat the glitter leaves with hairspray. You can do this with anything from the Dollar Tree that you want the glitter to not bomb all over your house. You just have to do a spray and let it dry. The first thing I did was remove everything from the wreath so I had a clean slate. What I'm detaching is floral wire that I use to hook on all of the floral, and that helps because it's going to keep everything in place season to season, so you don't have to redo this every time. I decided I wanted to do kind of an off-center top and bottom kind of arrangement that was very symmetrical. So I clipped on both leaves and then put 2 pumpkins in the center. It was literally that simple to make this look very Kirkland's Pottery Barn. So then I took a welcome galvanized word that I got from the Dollar Tree in that 3-pack, and I attached it with 2 pieces of floral wire. You can barely tell that it's on there, but that thing is not going to fall off, which is really nice, especially as you're opening and shutting your front door. And that is the simplest DIY project. There's not a ton of stuff going on, but it looks really nice. I really like the neutral brown. It gives me that kind of rustic glam. And then I added this sign from the Dollar Spot, $3 from Target, and it really finishes off the look, I think. Overall, I love this wreath, and I'm so excited to put it on our new door. And as you can see, this door, gotta go. The frame is cracked. My friends are always making fun of me when they come over. This is gonna look so good on that dark wood door. I'm so excited to do that. This wreath is gonna look so good on our new dark mocha door. I can't wait to show you what that looks like when we get it installed next week.
The second project today are these adorable wood ornaments that I found in the Dollar Spot at Target.
This project was inspired by this package of embellishments I saw at the Dollar Spot. Now those were $3, and I grabbed a couple of these ornaments. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with, but I knew that they would be great for DIYs. So I grabbed pumpkins and then also the leaf options that they had. This is the simplest version. This is for people that are DIY adverse. So literally you're going to grab one of these embellishments, and they even have sticky backs. Like, come on, this is amazing. You peel off the back and you stick it on the ornament. So simple and easy, but that script is very on trend with the calligraphy, and it's literally that simple. I thought this was a little plain, so I grabbed another leaf embellishment and I added this to the bottom. Peel and stick. So simple, but these look so pretty. They look very Kirkland's, they look very rustic, and they're perfect. So then I thought to myself, how can I take this up a notch? So I took my Waverly chalk paint and put a thin coat on one of the pumpkins that I had of white paint, thinking these will probably pop a little bit more off the white. Then I took Gather and painted that with white too. That had a very unfinished wood look, so I thought this would be perfect to paint on. So 2 layers on the Gather, 1 layer on the pumpkin, and then same thing, peel off the back and stick it. And that white pops so nice off of that dark leaf. Another leaf, grabbing another embellishment, and this really allows you to do a DIY but not have to design everything. You just have to arrange it and then peel and stick. These are so cute. These would be fun with kids, and they turned out so cute. Like, that looks like a set that you would buy at Hobby Lobby or Kirkland's, and you DIY'd all of that from the Dollar Spot. I think my favorite one is this fall one, but they all turned out so cute and I have them arranged all over my house right now. And there you have it, 2 super simple DIYs with stuff that you can get from the Dollar Spot and the Dollar Tree. If you recreate any of these projects, be sure to let me know and tag me, Whiskey and Whit, in any of your photos.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope these inspired you. Be sure to subscribe down below for more content from me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!